Hey everyone, it's Jeff here at Opus IVS. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. On today's video, we're going to talk about the Request Help tab inside the DriveSafe device. So let's get into it. First thing we want to do, let's go ahead and click that DriveSafe Diagnostics tab here on the home screen. Next, let's get that DLC cable plugged into that diagnostic port. Let's turn the ignition to the on position with a battery maintainer, and let's click Next to continue. All right, let's go ahead and click that Diagnostics tab there in the lower left corner, and then let's go ahead and click Request Help. Request Help is used for a lot of different reasons. Maybe you guys need some help with repair planning. Maybe you need diagnostic and repair assistance. Maybe you just can't clear DTCs. Maybe data is missing from the work file. Maybe you need a module programming, or you're having tool issues. The most common thing that people use Request Help for is module programming. So we're going to go ahead and select that. Let's go ahead and enter our first name. Let's enter a cell phone number to be called back on. And under the additional info there, let's just put a little bit of information for the technician that is going to be calling you. Once you have everything filled out, go ahead and click the Purchase tab. Someone should be calling you in about 10 minutes, and we'll get that SRS module programmed. Thanks for watching, everybody. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. And until then, take care.